Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic S. Now this is the 180 brake horsepower 2 litre diesel and they've got the super silky smooth ZF 8-speed gearbox. Now this particular vehicle is finished in the Narvik black and has the exterior black package and is sat on the 20-inch upgrade black alloys. So this is black on black on black with the rear privacy glass as well. Now all round this car is absolutely wonderful. We sell lots and lots of these cars. These are probably the best selling SUV on the market and are one of the nicest driving vehicles out there. Absolutely gorgeous to drive these. Now the car's riding on the 20-inch wheels and they're shod in the Goodyear Eagle tyres. Wonderful vehicle. Now externally a black package gets all of the external trim work in black. So the vents, the front lower lip spoiler, the honeycomb grille, and then the exterior Range Rover decals are all in black. The side vents on the wings that run onto the door are also in black, and then the power vents on the bonnet. Mirror caps are black, and then this one has the roof bars that are also in black, and as you can see has the factory option of the rear privacy glass. Now the 20-inch alloy wheels, these are the multi-spoke upgrade wheel, 20-inch. They have to be the best looking wheel on a Velar, on a black package car. If you've not got a black package, you'll notice on cars when you see them driving down the road, all of the bottom trims are all in grey. And then as we come round to the rear of the vehicle, the black package gets the centre bumper trim in black and not in silver. Badges are all then in black as well. Now this particular model has the electric tailgate and reversing camera front and rear. Underneath the boot floor we've got the full-size spare wheel, space saver, so you don't be stranded. Electric boot, capable over 40 miles to the gallon, these cars. My wife's had 3 of these. We love them to bits. They're an absolute fantastic car to own and drive. Round town you'll get well into the 30s, and as I say, on a motorway well into the late 40s. Don't think there's a better car on the market personally. So this is the first of the new style door handle that folds away. This car is free from any trolley dent. Absolutely gorgeous, this car, beautiful. If you want a black R-Dynamic S with a black package, then this is the one. Now this particular model has the sill plates in silver high gloss finish. We've got electric memory driver's seat, which is here, 3-way memory, power folding door mirrors, 4 electric windows, Meridian Sound System. Now this car has only done 26,335 miles. We get the new style internal satellite navigation system which came out on the Velar. As you can hear the Meridian sound. Are you ready? I want to break free. A real good quality sound system. Everything is pretty much touch on the screen of these. So navigation, that's your satellite navigation. Media player, Bluetooth phone. Now we can change this bottom screen then, so we can still have the radio on it, or we can have the climate control. We can have the vehicle control on there. You can have seats, heated seats. We can also use these to up and down our heated seats if you don't want the screen on. There's your satellite navigation. Now obviously when I select reverse, we get the reversing camera. We've got a cup holder for our coffee in the morning, which you can fold away, and then another cup holder. Now in the centre armrest we have USB, a SIM card, 12-volt charger as well. The leather interior in it is all black, and then we get this brushed aluminium in the door which runs into high gloss finish along the screen. Auto dimming mirror. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker either. Automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, paddle shift. Brilliant. Look at the view out of that. A really nice view. Not being a a super large car, but just enough to make you stand out. As I say, Velars, during the COVID pandemic, this was one of the cars which Land Rover decided to just pause production on. So when we're thinking of values are always super strong on them. Put a private reg on and you'd think you bought a brand new car. Factory option of electric reclining rear seats. We've got a 12 volt charger in there for your children's phones. Isofix as well. But that is an absolute super car. So, Narvik black with the external black package with privacy glass, 20-inch alloy wheels, roof bars, and then internally electric memory driver's seat, heated seats, Meridian Sound System. Obviously the signature lights are standard. Our Dynamic has the body kit. Well, that is an absolute cracking car. One owner, 26,000 miles. Need I say more? Well, that's a yes from me, that. Got to be in the best colour, that. So if you want any more info on it, give me a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham. We've got Lee and Dom on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. Check out our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars. We can have them ready in the same day by pre-arrangement. Reserve them with us. We'll get them ready, so you only need to come to Wigan once. And at which point, once you've drove it, look round it, been happy with it, you can pay for it and drive it away in the same day. If you need finance, give us a call. We'll sort that out before you come. And we do take part exchange as well. All our cars are HPI clear. They're all supplied, highly specified, and they all come guaranteed. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.